Hey there! My name is James, and I am not a real human, but I am here to make sure you don't miss out on an amazing opportunity. In this video, you'll learn how to create high-quality videos like this one for absolutely free. Trust me, you won't find this kind of valuable information anywhere else. So, don't go anywhere and watch this video till the end to uncover the secret of creating amazing videos like this one.
Hope all of you are doing well. Today we will learn how to create a video using an AI tool which is Movio. So first of all you will have to search Movio on Google and then just click on the first link. Here you will see a sign in. If you already have account on Movio, then just click on sign in. Otherwise just click on try Movio for free. Here you can see different options like URL to video, continue to a project, start with a template, and start with an avatar. So we will continue with a template. So in this section basically there are two type of videos, landscape and portrait. Portrait video can be created for TikTok, Instagram reel and Facebook reel, etc. As you can see, these are vertical videos, but on the other hand landscape videos are those videos which you can easily create for YouTube, etc. These are basically horizontal videos. There are many categories like e-commerce, advertisement, learning and development, explainer videos, etc. But we will just continue with advertisement, and you can select a template that you like from here. I will select this one, then click use this template. Here you can also change avatar. Avatar is basically the person who is speaking in your video. You can select any of the avatar which you like for your video. There are many realistic and beautiful avatars
Hey there,
in this tool,
my name is James, and
so
I am
you
not a
can
real
choose
human,
the one
but I
you
am here to
like
make
most.
sure you don't miss out on an amazing opportunity. In this
You can decrease or increase the speed, pitch, etc.
Hey there, my name is James, and I am not a real
You can also choose this one, which is basically a girl or woman speaking in your video.
Hey there. My name is James, and I am not a real human.
There are many avatars which you can choose from. This is Arabic, etc. The next most important option is text. You can add title, subtitle, etc. and these colorful text. The next one is elements. You can also add element in your video. Like if you want to add a logo of company or your own brand, etc. You can add easily from here. Like for an instance, I am adding this element. This is basically a logo of TikTok, so I am adding in this video just to show you how to add elements. And another important feature, you can also add these reddish elements if you want. All these are basically very premium quality elements. You can also add a background music for your video. Like I like basically this one, and I will add this one for my video. You can also choose ease in and ease out, which will make the music slower down at the end and in the beginning. So finally we will preview our video.
Hey there! My name is James, and
After previewing, you will simply click on submit, and then you can see your video here. I have renamed it to AI Entrepreneur as on my channel's name. From here, once it is finished, you can download it by just clicking on the download button. So it is completed, it is finished submitting. Here, just click on the download button, or you can open it and then click on download original video. Click on this and start downloading. If you don't have IDM extension, then your download will automatically begin. I have IDM extension, so it is downloading in IDM. Once it is completed, open and check. Here is our video. Fine.
hey there! My name is James, and I am not a real human, but I am here to make sure you don't miss out on an amazing opportunity. In this video, you'll learn how to create high-quality videos like this one for absolutely free. Trust me, you won't find this kind of valuable information anywhere else. So, don't go anywhere and watch this video till the end to uncover the secret of creating amazing videos like this one.